If you want to take a high resolution photo on the Xiaomi 17, then once you are in the photo mode, then you should be able to swipe down on the camera preview, or you can tap on this arrow that we have at the top of the screen. In here we can find the photo resolution option, and we can easily switch from 12.5 megapixels to 50 megapixels. Of course, it is also recommended to use the 3:4 aspect ratio. I'm not sure if we can even take a different aspect ratio and use 50 megapixels. I don't think so. So if you switch to 50 megapixels, then you should be able to immediately set it up. But this combination should allow you to get the highest resolution possible. Of course, if you're looking for even more stuff, even more options that allow you to adjust the photo to make it look even better, and then of course you can try the Pro mode. If you know how to use these parameters, then I'm sure they are going to be helpful. In here we can also activate 50 megapixels, and also we can activate the RAW format. So if you are into post-processing of the photo, then you will be happy to know that we have the RAW format. There is also the Ultra RAW format as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.